my head. If you know, you know. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. And I'm black. Hey. If you know, you know. Got my chair ready. If you know, you know. Hey, y'all. I miss y'all so much. Hi. So look, y'all saw the video before this video where I had made this sandwich, and then I was like, I need to run that sandwich back because, baby, this is a mukbangable sandwich. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. The chop, get, oh, ooh. Let's get it. I got some chips, some homemade onion dip back here. So yeah, I'm on the live at the same time doing this video. Anyway, hey y'all. Okay, all my stuff falling. TJ says hi. Okay. I'm on live with Swoop Like Me, Buddha of Destiny, Namaste, and Grandma Faye me, and they cracking jokes in my ears. So, So if you haven't tried the grinder, this is very close to the grinder, but it's fire. I just dropped my. I hope y'all having a good day. We got some Sprite up here, y'all. If y'all saw it previous video, this is like the easiest little quick sandwich to make. It is fire. Especially when it's hot and you don't feel like turning on the stove. I have bacon. That's the only thing we cooked, and that was in the air fryer. Pepperoni, turkey, ham. I put some red onions this time. Lettuce, tomatoes, banana peppers, pepper jack cheese, Italian dressing, Italian seasoning, and mayo. But you make it how you want. Put your meats in there that you want. But baby, do what we got. I hope y'all been doing good, y'all. I'm feeling better. I'm not 100%, but I'm better. I've been on an emotional roller coaster. Emotional roller coaster. If you know, you know. Get you a box of Lipton onion soup mix and a container of sour cream. Make your own. Mm. 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 So fire. Thank y'all for y'all well wishes in my community tab. What's wrong with you?
This video.
Okay. Hold on, y'all can't see. Picture. Listen, what's understood ain't got to be talked about. Ain't got to be explained. Yeah. Mm. I ain't finna be sad on this video, but mental health is very important, and my peace is very important. So I needed that little break. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Listen, content creator or not, take breaks when you need breaks, y'all. I'm not trying to be in a mental institution because I'm letting stuff get to me that bad. Mm-mm. Gotta take breaks. On another serious note, y'all keep Sandra, aka Boo Bear, family in your prayers. If you follow her, you know what's going on. Keep her family in your prayers. Sandra, I'm praying for you, sis. Check her out anyway because she's one of my fabulous members. Her link will be in the description box. She is an extremely supportive person. Love her down. I feel like there's so much I need to say, but I ain't got nothing to say because I'm hungry. This one meant to be an ASMR. I will tell y'all this morning, I had all the intention on having a review of a movie called Heart of Stone. I think that's what it's called. Maybe I wasn't in the right headspace, but this movie is backwards. It's weird. I'm gonna try to watch it again. It's got that girl who played Wonder Woman in it. I'm gonna try to watch it from the beginning again because it starts out action-packed without a backstory. And after all this shooting up bang bang, you kind of get a background, but that's it. I was just like, I need the backstory before you come shooting all this. It was too much. Anyway, It's 2 hours or something too. So, I'm not feeling it so far. But if y'all seen it, let me know what y'all think. Cause I don't know. It's just, I guess my brain wasn't ready to do action this morning. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I'm saying bye to the live chat, y'all. She be multitasking. Don't worry about it. I drive my child crazy. Yeah. Bye. Go take a nap. All right, I'm gonna close out my video. Bye. Multitasking at its finest, y'all. Anyway. I'm trying to think what else I like. Oh, why y'all didn't tell me about Bell Collective? Man, I done got it all up in that show, honey. All up in it. I don't even know how to explain. It's a show based out of Mississippi, Jackson, Mississippi. I got some people over there. I need to ask a lot of questions. Oh, baby. There's so much drama on that show. It used to be on OWN. I don't know if it's still on OWN or not, but now it's on HBO Max or Max. And what the heck? Wow, that was different. Ooh. It's a good look. If you like a little extra drama that ain't necessary, it's one of them reality shows. Right. Create some drama so the show will keep going. And I'm trying to figure out why every time they have men on these shows, they get real extra when them cameras are on. And I'm like, And it's really about the ladies, but the guys, especially in this second season, they want to be the star. And they want to show out. Calm down. You know, y'all be out acting up now. And if y'all get the sub rolls or the hoagie rolls from Walmart, oh my god, them things hit every time. You finished your food? Good boy. Good boy. TJ says hi. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you saw TJ is a star on one of my reels. And if you're not following me on Instagram, why not? For real, my Instagram is boring. I'm working on it though. It is boring. Go on the side. I'm aware. You need to go outside. Always. So, you know, I know we're in the middle of August, but next month is Slay Timber, honey. So if there's anything y'all want to see in Slay Timber, leave it in the comment. Any cakes y'all want to see, any food y'all want to see, let me know so I can get these videos set up. And I gotta have a meeting with production too. Ooh, kill me. Anyway, y'all, I ain't gonna keep y'all here all day, okay? Y'all ain't coming to see me eat no chips that you can barely see because the light, the light is lighting today. I feel extra cute though, I do. It look like I got on blush and I don't. I do not.
Blush.
I'm blushing.
Because you light skin.
What?
Yeah.
On what planet?
On this one.
My child said I'm light skinned.
It is.
Okay. They can't see my legs. Thank you. They can't see my legs, girl. Now those, they might be a little light skinned in it. Anyways, thank y'all so much for joining me for this quick little sandwich mukbang. If you haven't seen how I made this, I will link it in the description box so that y'all can make y'all one and let me know. And if you make it, tag me so I can see what y'all come up with. If you're new to my channel, I'm official Jamie, by the way. That's me. That's my child. Check out our other channel, Another Mother-Daughter Podcast. I know we haven't posted in a minute. We're gonna get it together. I swear we're gonna get it together. Don't forget also to check out my members. Just always listed in the description box. One day I'm gonna learn how to do graphics so I can put their names up on the screen and do stuff. My ride or dies. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all be holding me down. I appreciate it. I'm not gonna cry today. I'm not doing it. Anyhow, Temu. If you want one, Temu. I'm not affiliated, but what I always say, I love you, and ain't nothing you can do about it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.